Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Nvidia drivers keep crashing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that go to search menu and type device manager, DEVICE, device manager, open it. In here you need to go to display adapter, expand the display adapter guys, and in here there will be shown in your computer guys Nvidia display adapter driver. You just want to right click it and click update driver and search automatically for drivers and search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on it and here opens up Windows Update. It will check for any updates for Nvidia drivers in Windows Update. After checking this, you just have anything listed over here, you just want to click update all and close out of here guys, and let's move on to the next step. Go to control panel, search menu and type CONTROL. Control panel, open it. Select view by two large icons and in here you need to select power option guys. Click on it. In here you need to select the show additional plans. Here is the option guys, high performance. I already select that, so that's why I'm showing it. Show additional plans, you just want to click on it. Here is the option guys, show high performance option will be here. I already enabling it, that's why that's in up. You just want to click on show additional plans. There will be having a high performance option. You just want to click on it guys. After that close out of here, and you can also check Nvidia's own website for updated drivers guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.